The range forecasting method, or RFM, is an alternative project cost control method, an alternative specially designed as a response to the never-ending flow of devastating cost overruns in projects. The range forecasting method uses an entirely different approach to project cost control than most traditional cost control systems do. The major problem with traditional cost control systems is that they are too late in warning the projects about potential fatal cost overruns. RFM was specially designed to be an early warning system, which is what it needed in project control. Traditional cost control methods are based on so-called single-point forecasting techniques. I'll come to in a short while what that is. RFM, on the other hand, is basically a probabilistic forecasting method. Now, this screen displays 5 of the most essential reports produced by RFM. The reports are available from anywhere on the globe at any time, since RFM3W is a web-based project control system. We start with the summary cost at completion analysis or cost risk analysis report. This is the most important report of all and contains the core computation data upon which all other reports are based. In short, the report displays the possible cost at project completion and the corresponding probabilities. It also gives a relative position of the budget. Cost numbers shown in red denotes numbers above the budget and in green below. The skewness of this curve, usually to the right towards high values, is a very important project health indicator. This is the overall summary report. As for the cost risk analysis report, the numbers in red are cost values above budget. At a glance, you see the position of the project and in which direction the project might be moving. The cost at completion, as suggested by the earned value method, is shown for reference only. It tends to be a much smaller value, meaning more optimistic, than, for example, the RFM P50 or 50-50 value. Let's have a look at the detailed report. This report contains all the input and output data and the results of the analysis as obtained from the cost risk analysis computation plot. RFM may contain as many activities and accounts as you like, and the data table is scrollable in both vertical and horizontal direction, and the data may be sorted in ascending or descending order. This is for detailed analysis. Remember that the devil lays in the details. This is the trend curve and is made up of the extreme cost values as they emerge each report period in the cost risk analysis graph. The trend graph is a plot of the 90-10, the 10-90, the 50-50 and the most likely values, in addition to the total budget. At a glance, you see in which direction the project is moving. Depending on who you are and where your interest in the project lay, you have your first priorities when it comes to selection of a report. It seems that project managers and project owners have a preference for this trend curve. Finally, is this very handy bar chart. At a glance, the bar chart tells you if you are in or out of the trouble zone and by how much, in absolute values or percents of the budget.